In this video, we'll cover everything you need to know to start your blogging journey. Let's get started. Understanding your audience. The first step in writing a successful blog is understanding your audience. Who are they? What are their interests and pain points? Conduct thorough research to create detailed reader personas. This will guide your content and help you connect with your readers on a deeper level. Choosing your niche. Next, choose a niche that you are passionate about and that has a potential audience. Whether it's travel, technology, health, or lifestyle, ensure it aligns with your interests and expertise. A focused niche helps you establish authority and attract a dedicated readership. Crafting engaging content. Content is king in the blogging world. Start with compelling headlines that grab attention. Your introduction should hook the reader and provide a clear idea of what to expect. Use a conversational tone, short paragraphs, and bullet points to enhance readability. Don't forget to include relevant images, videos, and infographics to make your posts visually appealing. SEO best practices. Search engine optimization, SEO, is crucial for driving organic traffic to your blog. Use keyword research tools to find relevant keywords for your niche. Incorporate these keywords naturally into your content, including the title, headers, and meta descriptions. Also, optimize your images with alt text and ensure your site loads quickly. Promoting your blog. Writing great content is just the beginning. Promote your blog through social media, email marketing, and collaborations with other bloggers. Engage with your audience by responding to comments and participating in relevant online communities. Consistent promotion is key to growing your blog's reach. Monetizing your blog. Once you've built a substantial readership, you can start monetizing your blog. Popular methods include affiliate marketing, sponsored posts, and selling digital products or services. Choose monetization strategies that align with your audience's interests and your blog's niche. Staying consistent and patient. Success in blogging doesn't happen overnight. Stay consistent with your posting schedule and be patient. Analyze your blog's performance using tools like Google Analytics and adjust your strategies accordingly. Keep learning and evolving with the blogging landscape. Conclusion. Thank you for watching our full course on how to write a blog in 2024. We hope these tips help you kickstart your blogging journey. Remember, the key to success is understanding your audience, creating valuable content, and staying consistent. Happy blogging!